Ever wondered why your money seems to disappear faster than it comes in? The culprit might be a lack of budgeting. Now I know the word budget can seem daunting, but let me assure you it's more like a financial compass than a chain. Budgeting is a vital tool for financial stability. It's like a roadmap, guiding you on how to allocate your hard-earned money effectively. It helps manage expenses, ensuring that you're not spending more than you're earning. But budgeting isn't just about curbing your expenditures. It's also about saving for the future. Whether you're saving up for a dream vacation or a comfortable retirement, having a budget can expedite your journey towards these financial goals. And when you have a well-thought-out plan for your money, it's easier to avoid impulsive spending and stay on track. So remember, a well-planned budget is the key to unlocking financial freedom. Creating a budget may seem daunting, but it can be broken down into simple steps. Let's dive right into it. The first step in creating a budget is determining your income. This is the total amount of money you bring in every month. If your income fluctuates, take an average of the last 3 months for a more accurate figure. Remember, we're talking about your net income here. That's what you actually bring home after taxes and other deductions. Next, list all your expenses. Write down everything from your rent or mortgage to your grocery bills, utilities, transportation costs, and even that morning coffee you buy on your way to work. It's important to be thorough and realistic in this step. Don't underestimate or overestimate your spending. Once you've got your income and expenses on paper, it's time to set your savings and debt payoff goals. How much do you want to save each month? How aggressively do you want to pay off your debt? Be sure to factor these goals into your budget. Remember, these are not optional expenditures, but necessary investments for your financial health. The fourth step is to record your spending. Keep track of every dime that goes out of your pocket. This might seem tedious, but it's the only way to know where your money is going. There are plenty of apps and tools out there to make this process easier. Lastly, track your progress. A budget is not a set-it-and-forget-it thing. It's a living, breathing plan that needs to be reviewed and adjusted regularly. Compare your actual spending with your budget at the end of each month. If you're consistently overspending in one area, you might need to adjust your budget or your habits. Creating a budget is like plotting a roadmap to your financial goals. It might take some time and effort, but the payoff is well worth it. With these steps, you can create a budget that works for your lifestyle and financial goals. Now that you know the steps, it's time to apply them. Let's dive into some practical examples of creating a budget. Imagine you're a recent graduate, starting your first job. Your monthly income after tax might be $2,000. Your expenses could include rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, student loans, and a little something for entertainment. First, list all your expenses and categorize them. Let's say your rent is $800, utilities come up to $150, groceries are $200, transportation costs $100, student loans are $300, and entertainment costs around $50. That totals to $1,600, leaving you with $400 to save or invest. You can use various methods to track these expenses, from traditional pen and paper to spreadsheet software, even to specialized budgeting apps. Remember, the best budget is the one you can stick to. So choose the method that suits you best and get started on your financial journey. Budgeting is more than just numbers. It's about taking control of your financial future. It's about making conscious decisions on how you want to spend your hard-earned money, rather than wondering where it all went at the end of the month. We've walked through the importance of budgeting, breaking it down into easy, manageable steps. We've even seen some practical examples to give you a clear picture. Remember, the key is to start. It doesn't have to be perfect. The most important thing is that you're moving towards a more secure financial future, one budget at a time. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're living within your means and saving for your dreams. It's a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more financial tips and tricks.